Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So the first video is about making posters online and it's free of cost and it's a very easy way to make. So the first thing I want you to do is first Google poster my wall and the first link you get, you can click on it. That is www.postermywall.com. So we are going to use this tool to make the posters. So first you need to sign in. I have already signed in as you can see. So you get two options after that, My Stuff and Create a Design. My Stuff basically has the posters that I already have made earlier. So it gets saved here. So you don't need to download everything. You can use any laptop, any desktop, and you can just sign in and you can see the posters you've saved online. And I'll show you one of the posters that I had made earlier. So this is for an IoT project I had, and this is a complete flex. It's not a normal poster. So we actually printed 3 by 4 of this thing, and it really looked good. It had a good resolution. So another one is for I had a machine learning project. This was the poster for that, and you can see, yeah, this had different text boxes and all, which we'll see later. So this had good resolution. So there's a paid version of it as well, but I did not use the paid version. I used a free version and it was good enough. Even for this YouTube channel, the logo design, I did it with this tool, as you can see. And even the cover of this YouTube channel, I made it here. So if you're viewing this video from mobile, you won't be able to see the complete picture, but if you see it from a desktop or from a laptop, you'll be able to see the complete picture. So YouTube resizes it according to the device you're using. So let's get into it and let's get started. So first, to create a design, I'll show you what are the options here. So in all sizes, you can see different things you can make, like flyer, posters, banners, then logo, business card, postcard, then a lot of different sizes are there. Then you can make a Facebook cover video for social media, Instagram post. So why is there an Instagram post? Because if you've used Instagram, you know that there is a square dimension that is supposed to be used. If you use a rectangle post or rectangle photo, it gets resized accordingly. So you can make an Instagram story, Snapchat, Twitter. So these are basically the sizes that you can it has the ready-made sizes, so you just need to make the poster. It will be according to the size of that platform to making it for. So there are a lot of options, you can explore them on yourself. And there are so many templates. As you can see, 1,95,000 templates. So you can choose any of these free templates to make your, and you can like make changes to it, and accordingly you can make it. So we'll create a sample design just to show you the functionalities in this. So I'll make a basic image. So I'll use the Instagram post size. So that will be a square image we are going to make. So for the background, I'll choose a solid color, and I'll choose the color theme of our channel, which is this color. Yeah, and apply it. So you can see this is the dashboard. It's very easy to make posters in this platform. So there are different components. You can resize if you want, and you have to keep saving it, your work here, and then you can download later. So I'll first show you that what are the options. Like when you save, you can download the image you created. So there is the free one, which is pretty much good enough. If you give the right pixels, right size, you can use it for flex as well. If you give the right color combination, it won't give you a lot of problem. But if you want, you can choose a high quality image as well. So these are the options. A lot of like how to publish and stuff you can look up here. This will be pretty useful if you're creating your own content. And for any projects, for any presentations, you need to make a lot of posters. So this is pretty useful. And right now, due to coronavirus thing, a lot of online presentations are happening, I'm sure, in a lot of colleges and schools. So this is a pretty good tool you should try. So you can include your photos here from your, then you can include photos from your device, add stock photos. Stock photos are basically free photos. So I will type something like car, and I'll get free images of car stock photos like from Pixabay, Flickr, anything. So I'll just, uh, for example, from Pixabay, if I want, now I'll take an image of a car and let's add it here. So you can resize the image, rotate it, and change. Here you have other options for it which you can explore. You can lock it in place, do other things with it. Lot of other options. These are like self-explanatory, so you won't be having any problem with these. And there is one more useful utility here. This is the undo button. So if you do any changes, like change the color just for experimenting, and if you just want to go back to the earlier version, you can just click undo, and yeah, you can just go back and you can redo again if you want it again. So through media, you can add my photos, and stock videos, and stock audio as well, and a lot of other functionalities for the post. If it's very interactive, you can add them. And the text, there are two types of text here, like plain text and fancy text. For plain text is just where you can add for, if you're this is like educational poster, suppose, then you can include your text here and then change your color. Here you can easily change the different color. Suppose I need green, so I can choose from here. It's pretty easy here. And I know this doesn't look pretty good on the color, but this is just a sample poster, you guys. And the size you can change here. There are pretty much other options, like you can change the background of particular text as well. Now I'll show you what is the use of it later. Here I just change the color to um, pink, suppose. So later on I'll show you why this can be very useful. So I'll choose something lighter. Okay. So here I added some text. You can add a lot of other text and you can resize it easily. And fancy text option is also there, where you can choose any of these options. Suppose we choose this, and you can change the color, the you can change the type of it and add it. And you can see you can easily resize these things. And there are options for background as well, so you can upload background image from your device if you have, or a stock photo, which was the free photo, and clip art shapes. It's pretty cool, right? And you can download it and use it. Like, I'll save it here, and if you want, you can download it and easily you can do that. So I will show the poster that I had already made, so you get a pretty good understanding of how to make good complex posters. So this one I'll open. So here you can see there are different text boxes. So different text boxes, different images, and text box for the heading as well. And this is a stock photo. Just search for wine and you will get this stock photo. And this is a fancy text. This is a normal text. So as I told you, the use of background color, right? So that is how I made these things stand out. So it looks pretty cool, right? So you can just add this so it looks separated from the different text. So you can, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can just put it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your doubts. it's pretty easy to learn. And then these are images I already had in the device, so I just included them. So you can add your device images, right? And the other poster which I had made, I'll show you that. So yeah, this one, I'll open this one. So again, I have the text box in the center. Then these are the images I have included, and the text box below to give the caption of the images. So this is pretty easy to use. And here I've used the background color for the text box. So it kind of stands out, right? So yeah, that was it guys for this video. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can shoot up your doubts in the comment section. I'll try to solve them. And you can explore the templates, then different, you can try making a video, different designs, and there are a lot of other options as well. So thank you.